Hi everybody, we're back for session 2 of this rehab program, this series that we're doing for this beautiful home that will be beautiful when we're done. So today we're going to be talking about the demolition that's been done, and what areas are we going to be covering?
We've got the kitchen, the living room, and I guess we'll probably point out some extra electrical that we decided to add.
So let's go inside and take a look at where we are.
Hey there, so we're going to go ahead and show you what we've done in the kitchen so far. We've got the support braces that supported that old tube lighting, and those have been taken down. Thank you, God. It really opens up this room. Although it's a rather small space, it looks so much bigger and brighter and more open. And so we're going to be, pretty soon getting new cabinetry in here, new appliances. But first, I think we've got windows coming in this weekend.
Yes, and the garden window that's in there right now, that's going to be taken out, and we'll just have a standardized window in there in its place. It'll be updating the view and the look of the home. So the plan in here is for white shaker cabinets that's going to make it brighter and more airy. We're also going to be having recessed lighting up here instead of that big fluorescent bar that was taken out. So that's going to open up the room as well.
And then here we found a real pretty little dining area chandelier, modern, updated, and just everything's going to be changed, transformed. Well, we're back showing you another view of the living room, the cathedral ceilings. This makes this a great space, but honestly, it really needed to have those ceilings scraped. So that's been done, and then new texture coating on those ceilings. Over here, one of the nice details, we raised this up. It used to be down here. Now it's at about a 42-inch height, and then we are adding some extra electrical here, and we're going to put in the USB charging stations and adding an extra outlet in the hallway, because my favorite thing to do is stand in the hallway and look into the living room at my own house. So this comes in real handy for that.
Next thing we're going to do is take care of the fireplace here. We're not going to remove the brick, but we're going to accentuate it by painting it white. We're going to take all the interior hardware out and replace that. We'll have the chimney sweep come in and completely clean that out, so it'll be fresh and ready to go. And then the final piece will be a nice wooden mantle that will really accentuate and pop with the rest of the fireplace.
Oh, and we're going to add an outlet above the fireplace. So people like to put their flat screen TV up there. That'll make it easier. So this house is loaded with these old single pane windows from 1986. These are all going to get changed out. New dual pane windows throughout the house and dual pane sliders. So this house is going to be a lot more energy efficient by the time we get all finished. Between the LED lighting, the dual pane windows, and then the upgraded air conditioning system, I think it's going to be a lot easier on the budget for the tenants on their monthly electric bill. Hey, we're back. We're a few weeks farther along, so let's go check out and see what else has come along. Got some cool lighting going on here in the kitchen. And we're just putting the finishing work on, putting on all of the handles, and appliances just got installed. Flooring's in. This has been washed, and we've got a new mantle coming for the fireplace. new burner and log set. All of the windows are in. I think the paint turned out pretty good. I like the difference between the crisp white on the baseboards and this pretty cream color on the walls. And then this is all finished off, yay. I don't know if you saw, down here we put in a lot of outlets that have the USB ports in them because everybody's got to charge their iPads and their phones these days, right? As you can see, we're just kind of doing the final push for the finishing up work. You need to put these drawers in where they go. You've got the window coverings need to be installed and put all the cabinet handles on. And I think install the mirror in the guest bathroom and reinstall this door. This was one door that we couldn't find a match to, so we just took the old door and cleaned it up, and I think it turned out okay. So then we'll be able to get this place rented, get our mantle in. We're looking good. All right, you guys, so we showed you the kitchen, the living room, the interior spaces, and some of the changes that are coming up. A lot more to do. This is a construction project.
So we'll see you on the next episode.